I played my cards, I set them on the table, 'cause I ain't never had an ace in my hand, yeah. And I tell my soul, but it was right for me within the cradle, 'cause nothing really seems to go as planned. 'Cause I got $7 to my goddamn name. I sleep alone and it's a goddamn shame. Every day is the goddamn same. I live the life of being lame. And there ain't no drugs or drinks around to make me feel like I'm heaven bound. 'Cause every single day is the goddamn same.
I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours, bullshit pay, so I can sit out here and waste my life away. Drag back home and drown my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to for people like me, people like you. Wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is. Oh, it is living in the new world.
I listened to my parents and stayed in school. But I regret to inform you that my services cost more than that. You're looking at about $45 an hour or $500 a day rate. If you can't beat that, well then suck it. Oil patch for life, bitches. These are the bones of my last swimmer. Arr.